Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Time to give y'all what y'all really wanted, man. We're coming back.
Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know, I spit it no cap when I killed this. I'm better hit it with the rest of them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Sack it up and then I doubled it. No time for mumbling. Show them where trouble is. Be on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams. Yeah, it's obscene. Absurd, yeah, I'm a man of my word.
Oh, you like that? Because we don't give a crap. We don't care what nobody thinks. Nice little new things over there.
From the sun up to the moon up. I made tracks on tracks, have
Bro, my
views up. All these
plastic's
rappers
falling
lying
off
with the
again, man.
moves up. I'm not one of them, they'll confuse us,
The Telltale's alive, man. Got a new sticker on the front. This bike, I actually like this bike, man. It means something to me. Oh, you know what? I better tape up my fender real quick. That works. Oh yeah, buddies, my gas tank is shooting up gas on me, but that's alright. We're back at it. Oh wow, they haven't even ridden on these. I haven't even ridden on these trails, man. Pitbike Adventures 14, I think. We're like full sending this boy. Oh hey, what's up, dear? Okay. Sorry, I'm like, the gas tank is spewing out a little because I lost my breather a while ago. You can see that. Oh dude, we gotta make it to the hill. Almost went sideways there. You know what, let's check this place out. Guys, it's been way too long, man. 2 months. Oh, this is very sketchy. Oh yeah, this is very, very sketchy. Some lady running. Dude, they literally flattened this whole area out. That's crazy. So my bike's like pretty much all tuned up. Well, I did that in another video, and I haven't even been out here in like a month. The heck was that? So, you know what? Dude, we really gotta get like a breather thing for my gas tank. It's just shooting out gas on me. And this bike is kind of sketchy on like turns and leans like this. So we gotta kind of watch out. Still don't have a rear brake. Oh, you like that? Oh no, my plastic just got destroyed. Yeah, so dang it, man, I taped that thing on there. That should have stayed. I really need that thing to stay. I'll figure out something better for that later. Ah, that is solid. Good thing I got these boots. Oh yeah, y'all like my new boots? Well, I really got these like a month. Probably like a month and a half ago, but I haven't really ridden a lot or told y'all about them, but just upgraded from the other smaller ones kinda, and I like these a lot. Just gotta get used to shifting a little bit. Everything's fine except my steering. Whenever I was with Timmy and we were riding, we broke off something on the steering column, so you can see that. It's supposed to stop right there, but you can turn it all the way, so I think I'm gonna have to weld something on there, but that's okay, because we got time. Some kids on their bikes. Oh, let's check this out. Almost lost traction there. Bro, my plastic's falling off again, man. Dang it. Yeah, guys, I really apologize. I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. I've been making videos and I've been busy. This thing needs to freaking stay on here, I'm telling you. Okay, stay in the slot, and if you don't, you're literally gonna get taken off and put in my backpack. I really need that to stay because I don't want to burn my leg on the exhaust. So, yeah, Tata's doing good. KX is down for the winter. I'm gonna need to come up with some plan and rebuild it, bottom and top ends. And it's probably fine if I ride on this grass. Dude, this road is nice and smooth. Get back on there, man. Don't do that to me, please. I'm trying to make this video. Dude, they have been putting up houses like crazy out here. Look at this. So many houses out here. He's back, man. We are back out here riding on the bike. We don't care. We're engine braking because we're full sending. And this is nice. This is very nice. Because we don't give a crap. We don't care what nobody thinks. Nice little new things over there. There's people like working on that house right there. You know what? Let's go to the hill. I guess we're gonna go this way. I'll just wave at her. I don't even think she's looking up. She waved back. Let's go. Dude, this thing is so much fun. I haven't really made a video or anything about this yet, or like I haven't been out here that much, and I kind of wish I was. I got that mini moto and I've been grinding videos on that. We're at 1,400 subscribers, man. It's crazy. Oh, dang it, I should have went right there. 1,400 subscribers, man. 13,000 and about 13,000 views. Oh, look at this ground, dude. 13,000 views in about, I don't know, probably a month on one of my mini moto videos. So, yeah, man, it's crazy. We're just gonna shortcut through here real quick. Hopefully they don't get mad. We are like starting to get a lot more. Oh, dude, we missed the sunset by like a tiny bit. You can still see it, but we are starting to blow up, man. It's happy. I'm happy about it. I gotta find a spot where my bike's not gonna just want to fall over on me. Hopefully that's good. And the firecrackers are here from the other time when I tried to light it. Dude, there's like golf tees up here. Somebody's probably just like whoosh, and just hits them. I don't know how long this one's gonna be because it's starting to get dark out really quick. I just kind of wanted to rip around, nothing fancy, just get back on the bike, get back to it. Hopefully you can see that sunset kind of. It's pretty nice. Things that are going on. I'm working on a go-kart right now. I don't really think I told the people on YouTube yet, but I put some stuff on my Instagram. If you want to go see that, that video should be out soon. I actually got the parts that I needed for it in the mail today, but I was like, you know what, dude, screw it. I need to make a Pitbike Adventures. It's been 2 months since I've made one. So I was like, all right, got to get those priorities, man. Pitbike Adventures out first, and then I'll upload the go-kart. That thing's looking sick, man. Oh yeah, did I tell you all this? But I put the brake one on. These are pretty nice. I think my handlebars are slightly bent or something, because this is straight and that's where that's kind of off. But you know what, it is what it is. I might get some new handlebars for this thing. All I have is the front brake. Are people living in those? I don't know if people are living in those or not. Dude, it's so flat out here now. Like everything's just flat, you know, they cleared out everything, no junk piles anywhere, so they're definitely getting ready to make some progress on this thing. Dude, the front end of this thing is sketchy. I'll just tell you that. It's sketchy, it like bumps and, you know, the handlebars are all like, you know. That don't sound that good either. Maybe we're full sending a little bit too hard. Oh yeah, that sounds bad. Oh. Huh. That's probably why. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this. We kind of just straight piped our bike. No idea how that happened. But yeah, fixed it. I'm telling you, man, it's easy to fix stuff on these Chinese bikes. Oh, there goes my exhaust. Alright. Oh my goodness, dude, it's so much louder. Yeah, I kind of need that though. I kind of need my exhaust. Dude, what? Okay, I kind of need to head home soon. Oh, freak. Is this thing hot? Because I'm about to stick this in my backpack. Yeah, that thing's kind of hot. Straight piped pit bike run. Let's go. What is this? I guess this mount got loose or something, man. It's falling apart on me. Alright, let's do it. Look out there! We're coming in, boy! Holy! What's up, big man? How y'all doing? Dude, this thing is freaking crazy now. I can't turn for my life. Dude. Dude. This thing sounds amazing now. We gotta chill though, cause like the thing is, here's our options right now. We got a working, reliable Chinese pit bike, and then we got no exhaust and just straight piping it and probably breaking the motor. You asked me, and I'm gonna do one side, but I think we should do best for what's the best for these people around here. Oh shoot, is that a house right there? Or that's a shack or something. Should probably do what's best for the people around me and for the bike. Well, you know, stuff doesn't always work that way, so we'll just see what happens. Hot exhaust going into my bag. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it don't burn nothing. This bike doesn't really want to idle though with the open exhausts. It does sound really cool though. Holy cow. before the cops get called, we should probably head back. I literally can't, like my ears are like, I can't hear that much. Y'all probably can't even hear me right now, dude. This thing sounds sweet, but my valves right now are probably getting yeeted. Let's just say that. Alright, I need to chill. Alright guys, thanks for watching Pitbike Adventures. We'll see you on the next one. Nah, it's just my front steering. Sorry about the gas.
Oh my god, you lost the muscle.
No, I haven't, it just fell off. Sorry about that.
Yeah, straight piping it.
Sorry about this, my thing is broken, so whenever you turn this, you know how it locks this side? This one broke off. So whenever you turn, it turns too far, that's why it slipped.